Hi, welcome to Park Chemist. Today I will tell you, let's read the first question here. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 4 gram of NaOH in 500 centimeter cube or ml of a solution. Scale is given. I have 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 ml. Now here moles are not given, so we will take the grams and molecular mass of sodium hydroxide, and we will then calculate the moles and molarity. Then first we have to form the data. सबसे पहले आपको ये देखना है कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या गिवन है. सर हमने देखा कि हमें ग्राम्स गिवन है, हमें वॉल्यूम गिवन है, तो हम सबसे पहले गिवन मास ऑफ NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जिसे हम कहते हैं, मास हमें दिया है 4 ग्राम एंड मॉलिक्यूलर मास जो कि बिल्कुल आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, कैलकुलेट करके आप निकाल सकते हैं. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज 40 एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 500 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और ml. मैंने यहाँ पर ml और सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इसलिए लिखा है कि अगर यही क्वेश्चन 500 ml हो तभी यही कंडीशन अप्लाई होगी, 500 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब हो तब भी यही कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड इज मोलैरिटी. उसके बाद हम सॉल्यूशन में आते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू राइट इज द फॉर्मूला. On my last video I have told the formulas and the conditions, so you can see from there I am directly applying the I'm directly writing the formula. That's molarity is equals to mass in gram. This is the formula of mass in gram per molecular mass is the formula of moles multiplied by 1000 divided by volume. If volume is given in centimeter cube or ml, divided by 1000. Mass in gram we have given 4. Molecular mass is 40 multiplied by 1000 divided by volume is 500. After dividing and multiplying all this, we will have 0.2 m. M is the unit of molarity. You must have to write the unit, otherwise marks could be detected, right? So this is the answer. Now come to next question. Now coming to the second question of molarity. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 2 moles of KOH potassium hydroxide in 5 dm cube or liter of a solution. Scale is also same, 1 liter is equals to 1 dm cube. अब यहाँ पर moles given है, volume is given, right? But इस केस में कोई grams का सीन नहीं है because moles directly is given. I'll write the data. Moles of KOH is 2 moles and volume of a solution is 5. You can write dm cube, you can write liter. I'm writing dm cube because both are same. चाहे 5 लीटर लिखा हो, 5 dm क्यूब लिखा हो, कोई कन्फ्यूजन की बात नहीं है, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली वही फॉर्मूला लगेगा. उसके बाद मोलैरिटी. Molarity, of course we have to find the molarity. Now putting the formula. This formula will be applied. Moles is 2 divided by volume is 5. So the answer is 0.5 4 m. This is the molarity of this solution. Here is the third question of molarity. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 18 gram of glucose in 200 liter of a solution. Grams are given, volume is given but in liters. We will write given mass of glucose, that is 18 gram, molecular mass of glucose is 180, volume of solution is 200 liter or in dm cube, molarity is question mark. Now putting the formula, molarity is equals to mass in gram per molecular mass one divided by volume. Now mass is 18, this volume is 200, answer is 20 m. So this is the molarity of this